Okay, here we are. So today I'm doing a short video review about the Commission Blueprint 2.0 software, which is just launched today. And according to the producers, you can copy and paste their complete system to bring your affiliate campaigns on steroid and generate nonstop commissions starting today. There's a step-by-step video training. You can start enjoying passive income from day one. So the possibility of earning $200 per day. There is a case study where he has achieved a six-figure income. It is newbie friendly, and there is no content, no ads, and no hard costs. So what else do we have? Also, there is a $4 off coupon that you can initiate in order to save $4 on the beginning price. We have a guy here that's going to ask us if we're tired of seeing an empty page all the time. Well, yeah, that would be a bummer. So let's see what else there is. What are the features? Look at this. You don't need a website. You don't need to create a product. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge. And you don't have to spend a lot of money. And that's good. And here are some results from people using the software and getting results on JV2. Okay, and once again, the price is $17. And again, you get $4 off of that once you use the coupon. Let's see what else we got. Here we go. Introducing Commission Blueprint 2.0. And yeah, $17.69 is the price as you're watching this. Apparently it may go up, but for now it's $17.69. This is the most effective method to generate massive affiliate commissions on a daily basis by promoting other people's products, according to the producers of this software. Now, what do you get in this? What's this about? Well, you get a complete system to making money quickly and easily with affiliate marketing step by step. It's going to show you how to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. It's a time-tested formula. You get hot in-demand products. And it's the fastest and simplest way to sell anything online, according to the producers. And also, it's going to show you how to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them. Well, that's good. There is a step-by-step video walkthrough of how to set up your email money-making campaign in a snap. And also, there's a real live demonstration of how to set up a profitable campaign the right way. Okay, now here's a guy telling us what an amazing offer this is, which it may be, but let's move on. Once again, $17 or near about $17 is the starting price. Once again, we're getting the results that they show from JV2 that others have gotten. And this is a three-step process. You enter your details, step 1. Step 2, you just attend this free secret training. Apparently it only takes 30 seconds or less, and well, that's good. And then on step 3, you enjoy the passive income. He says, watch sales pouring in. Oh, who knows? Anyways, that's about it. So if you're interested in this software, there's going to be a link in the description below this video. And that will give you access to this sales page. And you can purchase Commission Blueprint 2.0 if you want. So I appreciate you checking out my review, and we'll see you next time. Okay. So, no.